Girl, pick up. I know your phone is on D&D and you're not busy. You literally write today. It's been a week.
Living lovely.
Welcome to this week's vlog. Today is Monday. It's currently 10 a.m. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, my loves. For today's agenda, before that, I just realized that we have new people, new subscribers. Welcome, guys, and I'm so excited because we are almost at 400 subscribers. It feels like a dream. And I remember when we were just at 10 subscribers, and now we are almost at 400 subscribers. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so grateful for you guys for being here, for choosing to subscribe to my channel. Let me give you guys a hug. This is too high. Just imagine I gave you guys a hug. And for today's agenda, I have a bunch of clothes, like my laundry basket, like it's full with clothes I want to wash, and it's not my fault because I told you guys in the last vlog, and if you've not watched the last vlog, I think you should. We had power outage, and if there's power outage, there's water outage. Like the list goes on. So I have like a full basket of clothes to actually wash. And before that, I'm going to be having breakfast. I'm going to be having conflicts for breakfast. I've been trying to reduce or stop the way I take dairy, like milk and sugary stuff, because sugar like affects causes me like pimples and breakouts. And since I realized that, I've actually reduced it, and my skin have been so good this year. As you can see, there's not even like light, like just natural light, but see how good my skin looks. So I'm trying to like keep up with that and reduce where I take dairy things and sugary stuff. And so, but today is going to be a cheat day. We're going to just have conflicts for breakfast before I start my day and my like activities to like wash my clothes and clean the house. Welcome to my kitchen. Uta, cooking with Uta. But this time, actually, we are not cooking. We're just going to have conflicts for breakfast. So there's no serious thing I'm doing in the kitchen. So yeah, let's make breakfast. Breakfast in bed. Oh God, guys, this month is Valentine. I hope you guys have loves. Even though you don't have love, I hope you love yourself enough to. Because I heard that I heard a quote that was um, like you have to love yourself enough before you even like try to find someone that loves you, or like find someone that I don't know how to explain, but you guys get what I'm saying. Like, I hope you guys love yourself enough to know the type of love you actually deserve. Yeah, clock it. Clock it. I hope you get what I'm saying. So like yeah, some people actually know, like some people actually think highly of themselves, and that's what affects them when they actually like get into a relationship. Oh God, I'm just talking like as if I'm a relationship expert. But you get what I'm saying, guys. Just I hope you guys love yourself enough to know what you deserve and what you don't deserve. Yeah. Because this is the month of love. The month of love. I think I need to stop yapping and eat. I used to like sugar growing up. Not like growing up, I still like sugar. I like sweet things. So I'm trying my best to reduce like taking sugar because it's unhealthy. For someone that has cramps, someone that breaks out a lot, for someone that want to lose weight, like don't want to have like fat stomach, fat abdomen. Yeah, you need to stop sugar. Let's don't deceive yourself. Stop sugar. I know those people that be like, oh, um, I don't know, I'm just getting fat. It's food. You're eating unhealthy. You're eating unhealthy. Let's not lie to ourselves. You're eating unhealthy or you eat too much. That's the thing. Let's not lie to ourselves. Like, let's not lie to ourselves. We eating too much. Guys, good morning. Today is Wednesday. Did I vlog yesterday? I just realized I did vlog yesterday. So my agenda for today, I want to. It finally rained. The first rain of 2026 yesterday night, and I really slept good. The first agenda for today, I'm going for a tutorial. A tutorial. So you guys are going to be coming with me, and I'm thinking of going from the tutorial class to after the tutorial class. I'm thinking of going to the market. My shoe rack just suddenly fell and broke. I don't know. I'm thinking of going to the market to go and buy another one. I don't know, should I do that, a stronger one, because my shoes can't be just scattered like that. So I might do that, and you guys are going to be also be coming with me. So let's get ready for the tutorial. Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is Thursday. Guys, you won't believe what is actually happening to me right now. You guys might know, have an idea, because it will be on the title of the vlog. But like, I have an urgent trip. And the funny thing and the annoying thing about this urgent trip is the fact that I don't really know when I'm going to be traveling. I just need to pack, and the day I'm called to start coming, I'll start going. So, and I have this feeling that I might travel on Friday, which is tomorrow, or Saturday, which is next tomorrow. So, I was told to just pack my things. So, I'm going to just pack my things and get ready. I need a small box, but I don't have any. I need a small bag, not even a box, but I don't have any bag that is smaller than this. So fortunately, I'll be unfortunately, we're going to be using this box to pack. So pack with me. I don't know what to pack. I'm just going to pack because this is going to be a week journey by God's grace. I'm going to just stay there for a week because I'm going there for something. I'll let you guys know later. So yeah, get ready and pack with me for the trip. Guys, I'm going to be sewing. I don't know if you guys remember this my I don't know if you guys remember this material that I bought from the market. I'm going to be sewing it when I get to my location. I'm going to like insert the picture I want here of like what I'm going to use it. If I'm going to use it for this popular Pinterest pants. So yeah, I just want to show you guys, I'm going to be packing it with me. Guys, you know that the what do they call it, the wig I'm supposed to use, I wanted to carry that. My bob wig is the easiest wig for me to like take and travel, but I texted her, she's not replying me. Like, dang, I don't know, I really needed to take that wig because that's the only like easy wig I have, and I don't want to do too much. I just want to take one wig for this trip. And so I don't know which outfit am I feeling. I'm going to be taking this denim shorts, obviously. I'm going to also be taking my denim skirt, obviously. There's something people don't know. I'm someone that actually dress covered up, but like not covered up. I won't like not as covered up as the northerners, and where I'm going to is the north central, and they don't really dress anyhow in north central, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to like be taking clothes that like make sense, like that aligns with what they wear. I'm not like shading or anything, I'm just telling you guys. What else do I need? Okay, I think I'm going to take 4 clothes, 2 nightwear. Do I need nightwear? I'm going to take 4 clothes plus what I'm going to wear on that day to the place I'm going to. And that day I want to wear, I'm thinking of wearing that my two-piece yellow outfit. I'm thinking of wearing this two-piece yellow outfit to the place that I'm going to. Then this denim skirt in case I'm supposed to go somewhere else. Then these pants in case I'm supposed to go somewhere else. Then by God's grace, these denim shorts because I'm going to go for shopping. Because when I'm going to go, things are going to be very cheap. So I really need to get some things for myself, obviously, because this is the month of love, and get something for my loved ones too. So yeah, I'm going to use the short and go to the market. I don't know whether it's crazy going to the market with short. I think it's crazy. Yeah. Either I substitute the short with my blue denim trouser that is dirty. But packing a dirty clothes to travel looks insane, but I don't care. So I'm down with it. Bottoms, I need like tops. This top is becoming one of my favorite top. Guys, do you know I almost forgot something? My church outfit. And you guys should not judge my closet because don't judge my closet because I did a little bit clean up and like the closet is messed up. I've not like arranged here. So it's kind of messed up. So what I even say I want to do? Okay, church outfit. I want a simple church outfit. So I think I'm going to be going with my silk skirt as always and just a simple top. Which top will that be? I changed my mind. I think I'm going to go with this the clothes I wore from last Sunday to church. I'm going to be wearing it to where I'm going to church. So I'm going to carry my black heel. Guys, in case you guys are not hearing me, like things, a lot of things are going on in my head right now. So let me be a little bit vulnerable. I've there's something I'm actually like currently pursuing or like planning to do, and a lot is just going on. Like seriously, a lot is going on, and it's stressing me out. Like it's stressing me out in the aspect that I don't know what. No, I won't say I don't know who to talk to about it, but like I don't know how to like. It's not in my hands. Like I just want to just leave it in the hands of God because He has been the one like taking me all through this year's things. Everything I wanted have just been coming out, like coming my way. So I don't know why am I worried. Like what am I worried? The Bible literally says, "Look at the birds in the sky. With all Solomon had, he was not as dressed as the birds in the sky. Who even actually gives the birds in the sky food? And us that were actually made in His own image is complaining of what I'm going to eat tomorrow or what is going to happen or this plan and why it's not working out for me." So he said, "Don't worry, because your worrying will not add an inch to or give you an extra year of living. Like, oh, if you are supposed to live for 100 years, worrying will not make you live for 101 years. So why worry? Why am I fucking stressing myself? Why am I worrying? I need to stop doing that shit because the Bible said I shouldn't. So let's fold this clothes right now. 5 clothes, one nightwear, because I'm going to get nightwear where I'm going to. So yeah, period.